I'm going to show you how to check your battery cycles on a MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, any type of MacBook. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up your MacBook, go to the Apple menu in the upper left-hand corner, and then go to About This Mac. As you can see, I am running Sequoia 15.5. You may be running an older or a newer version. It really won't matter. Once you're here, you want to go to where you see More Info. Click into More Info. Once under More Info, you want to scroll down because you'll be here under the General Settings, and you want to click on System Report. Click into System Report. Once you're under System Report, you then want to go to the sidebar here, and you want to click into Power right here. Once you've clicked into Power, you should see something about midway down that says Health Information, and it will give you a battery cycle count right here. As you can see, mine is at 35, condition is normal, and maximum capacity is 100%. As your machine gets older, you'll see obviously this number go up, and the condition and capacity might be different. It may say maximum capacity is 92%, meaning that your battery is of age to where it's only going to be able to be charged upwards of 92%. Because of the age and because of it being a little bit older. Hopefully this helped. If it did, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.